Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a ledger. First, select your preferred ledger type, whether it's a physical book or digital software. Next, identify the key accounts you will track, such as cash, bank, and different expense categories. Assign a unique identifier to each account for clear organization. Finally, decide on your accounting method. Single entry for simplicity or double entry for comprehensive financial oversight. This foundational step ensures your financial records are well structured from the start. Once your ledger is set up, accurately recording transactions is crucial. Always date each entry precisely to maintain a clear chronological record. Provide a concise yet informative description for every transaction, explaining its purpose. Carefully record the exact monetary amount, indicating whether it's a debit or a credit. For double entry systems, ensure each transaction affects at least two accounts, maintaining the fundamental accounting equation. This meticulous approach guarantees reliable financial data. Maintaining and balancing your ledger regularly is vital for accuracy. Dedicate time to review all entries for any discrepancies or errors. Perform periodic reconciliations, comparing your ledger with external documents like bank statements or invoices. Calculate account balances frequently, perhaps weekly or monthly, to monitor financial health. If you find any mistakes, make necessary adjustments promptly. Consistent maintenance ensures your financial records remain reliable and reflect your true financial position. To ensure your ledger serves you best, adopt these practices. Always keep all supporting documents, such as receipts and invoices, meticulously organized for easy reference. If using a digital ledger, back up your data regularly, perhaps daily or weekly, to prevent any loss. Maintain strict consistency in your recording methods and account naming conventions. For complex financial situations or tax planning, do not hesitate to seek advice from a qualified professional. These habits will significantly enhance your financial management.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.